Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's try out to make this simple exercise inside Fusion 360. So let's get right into it. Create sketch, choose this horizontal plane, go for a corner rectangle and define this length 72. Press tab and define this one 60 and hit enter. Now finish the sketch. Now click on extrude. Automatically it takes the region to be extruded and define it 12 and hit OK. See, next what we can do, we will make another rectangle at top of this. Create sketch, choose this top surface and now go for a corner rectangle starting from somewhere here. This is 12, tab 60 and finish the sketch. Now I will click on extrude, choose this region and define height 90. Okay, see, right click and edit the sketch and 72 by 60. Okay, it was 72 by 60. Finish the sketch. Now I will apply some rounds and choose this edge and this edge, define the value 15, 30 and hit OK. Now again I will sketch on this plane. I will go for circle and draw circle somewhere here, another circle somewhere here. Now press escape, choose this circle and this circle, concentric, and this circle and this circle, concentric. Now I will go for rapid dimension and you can see the dimensions is diameter 20 and 30. I will go for rapid dimension. This one is 30. Press enter and this one becomes 20 of diameter. Press enter and I will finish the sketch. Now I will go for extrude, select this region and define 25. I will hit OK. See, next what I can do, I will add a middle plane to define this rib. For that I will click on construct and mid plane. Now choose this surface and this surface. See, a plane is created at the middle. Now I will go for create sketch and choose this center plane and go for a line starting from somewhere here. And now what I can do, I will just close it up here. Okay, press escape and finish the sketch. Go to home and now I will create a rib and now select the profile is this one, thickness is 8 and hit OK. See, now I will apply some appearances and now go for the glass or go for the metals and drag this material. Okay, see, so hope you enjoyed the tutorial and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.